Hi everyone, it's Amber here. Today we're going to discuss one of my all-time favorite signature Baiia bikinis. It is our 4-piece multi-way reversible bikini, and we've got the beautiful Stephanie here showing all the different ways you can style it as well as how to put it on. So let's dive straight in. Now let's start with our ultra high waist bikini bottoms. I'm going to pass them over to Stephanie to pop on. You'll notice you can actually buy the bottoms and the top in separate. So it's perfect if you have a larger top or a smaller bottom or vice versa. You just wear different sizes from your top and bottoms. As you're putting them on, you'll notice they're very firm. They're meant to feel like shapewear, so it should be a bit of a workout trying to get it on, but that is totally normal. As you can see, Stephanie's popping it on. You do really have to adjust it and shimmy into it, again, because of all that shaping retention. And then we just adjust the seams. Perfect, so you can see Stephanie is scalped and cinched and supported. We even have some women wearing this just as shapewear under dresses, so you can really get that shape and sculpt from these bottoms. You can see they're ultra high waist as well, so perfect if you have a longer torso. If you're really struggling to get something that covers that midsection, these are perfect for you. Okay, now we've got the bikini top here. So like I mentioned earlier, you can buy them separately. You get your bikini top, or you can purchase your bikini bottoms, so you can get them all at once. But when you get your bikini top, you'll notice they come with 2 separate chest pieces, as well as 2 waist ties. So here's one chest piece. I'll hand that over to you, Stephanie, to step into and pop on. You can see it's a little easier for women sometimes to step into it as opposed to putting it over their head. But one thing that's really important to note before you pop your chest piece on is to just look at the different coverage options. If you want higher coverage, you're going to opt for the higher side. If you want a bit of a lower V-neck, deeper cleavage coverage like I do, I always put it on the lower side. But today we've got Stephanie in the full coverage option because she does have an ample bust. Now we'll pop the second chest piece on. And what I absolutely love about the bikinis is that you can truly get different sizes. So we've got Stephanie here in a size 16 top. Is that right, Stephanie?
Correct.
Yeah, and a size 14 bottom. So you can really mix and match to really adjust to your body shape. Go. Brilliant, she's looking cinched and shaped and supported. We've just popped her bra off, but you can see even though it has no underwiring or shelf or built-in padding, we're actually getting that same level of support and sculpt around the bust, and that's due to the really compressive fabrics as well as the unique cut of the bikini. Now we've got the 2 waist ties here, and I want to get straight into all the different ways you can use them to style a swimsuit. So I'm going to grab the stripe one because it matches the print that we have on Stephanie at the moment. You can just thread it through this chest piece over here and create a beautiful little bow detailing. Some people like to actually grab the tie and wrap it all around the waist. That's really going to help hold and cinch the waist a little bit more. This is probably my favorite way to wear it though. I love how it just holds that chest piece in place. One of the most common ways to style our bikinis is by grabbing that waist tie and actually threading it through the 2 chest pieces to deepen that V-neck and to expose a little bit of skin at the midsection. Now, Stephanie, if you want to turn around, I can just show you how you can hold that tie all in place. I'm going to do a little bow at the back. Make sure it's really firm and secure. And now you can turn around, Stephanie, and you can see we've created a whole new, rather than a wrap, it's more of a V-neck deep plunge swimsuit. If you want even more lift and support, you can grab that other tie and do our little halter neck trick, which I'll show for you now. So Stephanie, if you want to turn around, we'll thread the waist tie through the shoulder straps. Do a really nice firm bow. And if you want to turn around now, Stephanie, once that's all in place, you can, if you like, adjust your girls to get them sitting in a different position, but that should give you a lot more support and security while you've got it as a V-neck option. And now we're going to reverse the suit to be completely black. And voila, we've got Stephanie in an all black swimsuit. It almost looks like a completely new suit, but all we've done is reverse it because all of our pieces are reversible and all of them are mix and matchable. So you can simply just reverse the top, keep the bottom solids, or even just play around with the chest pieces. You can reverse one or keep the other or have them both reverse. It's really up to you. I really wanted reversibility to be the cornerstone of all of our designs because it truly allows you to mix and match and customize to create to your taste. So I'd love to see how you style your Baiia bikini.